I'm here today with the slide scanner. Start by loading your slides into this magazine here. You'll want to probably have the manufacturer's label facing out this way. And you can load them in that goes 1 through 50. Take the magazine, kind of follow it along this track here, and push it all the way to the foot, which is this part. We already have the machine powered on, which is great. I'm going to go ahead and press OK for scanning. It's going to be ready to go once I press this camera button. Foot's going to come out, grab a slide, snap a quick photo. Now your photos will live on this SD card. You just give it a press to pop it out, and then you put it into this computer here, and then we're going to transfer our files to a flash drive or a cloud storage. Thanks so much.